Aurora has been working in Sierra Leone for the past 11 years on various projects, both in education and in job creational type of projects. And it's with projects like the Sweet Salone project that we really believe that we can have a great impact. We've been working with different creative people here. We've been working with pottery makers, basket weavers, country cloth weavers, jewellery makers. And one of the aims of the project is to bring together the two worlds that Aurora is working in, which is on the one hand Sierra Leone, but on the other hand Iceland. We brought over some well-established designers from Iceland, Sweden and Finland, 9 in total, to come here and work with the local people. They came with a very open mind to see what was on the ground, what capacities there were, what the local people could actually do. And then with them designed some new products, but also challenged them to do a bit different, to really push them to make something new. And it has been a very beautiful relationship that has developed, and the locals are saying some of the things are very hard, but they are really pushing themselves to their own limits and have managed to create new things, and I think surprise themselves in the process.
So what we have seen since coming here to Sierra Leone is that local people, they're very skilled in with their hands and they're very willing in working. They all want to work, and that's so pleasant to see. And the quality is good. You just have to maybe mix and match a little bit, and they're all kind of doing the same. So therefore we step in and can bring in some new ideas.
And our idea is not to change things a lot that people are already making. It's more about maybe improving them a little bit, you know, like using a little bit stronger thread, better fastenings, you know, so that the things that they are making will last and have a chance also in as an export, you know, items. So then they need to be. So it's just about improving the quality a little bit, you know. And then, of course, these designers are also bringing their aesthetics and their way of thinking, and they are sharing it, you know, with the people here, and and vice versa, you know. So they are also learning about how people do things here, and so it's a win-win situation.
With the project, there are several dimensions, and one very important is that we are trying to preserve the traditional methods of handicrafts in Sierra Leone. We did the research in the beginning on what was happening on the ground, what material are available, and what people were working on. And the traditional methods of working have been under a lot of threat over the past years, because of the civil war, because of Ebola. So we really wanted to keep that alive, the traditional methods. Our hope for the future with this project is that it becomes sustainable in itself, that we don't have to be there all the time, but that we have created enough of good linkages between designers in Europe, in America, and local craftspeople here. We don't want this to be only something we do for a year, but we really want to keep these linkages going. And so it actually is a market for the years to come.